stop scrolling. We've got essential health tips just for you. Here, we dive into all things women's health, from nutrition to mental wellness and everything in between. If you're new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell icon for your instant health pick-me-up. For more detailed info on today's topic, check the description below. And we'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment. Stay healthy and vibrant. Hey mamas, Dr. Mona here. Today, we're diving into boosting your milk supply. Feeling like you're not producing enough milk is a common concern. But fear not, because I'm here to empower you with a powerful tool: hand expressing. Hand expressing is a gentle yet effective technique that can work wonders for your milk production. Whether you're dealing with low supply, engorgement, or simply want to increase your milk stash, hand expression can be your secret weapon. So grab your water bottle, get comfy, and let's unlock the incredible power of your hands. Let's talk about the incredible connection between your hands and your milk supply. When you hand express, you're mimicking the natural suckling of your baby, sending signals to your brain. This amazing gland is responsible for producing prolactin, the hormone that's essentially the boss of milk production. The more you stimulate your breasts, the more prolactin your body produces, and the more milk you make. Just like any workout routine, regular hand expressing is crucial for building and maintaining a strong milk supply. So even if you're not experiencing any issues, incorporating hand expression into your routine can be incredibly beneficial. We've all been there, those early days of breastfeeding when your breasts feel like they could burst. When your breasts become engorged, it means they're overly full of milk, which can lead to discomfort and pain. By manually expressing a small amount of milk, you can help soften the breasts, reduce swelling, and make it easier for your baby to latch properly. Think of it as a gentle way to relieve the pressure and get things flowing smoothly again. Ever wonder how your milk magically flows exactly when your baby needs it? It's all thanks to the letdown reflex. This reflex is triggered by the hormone oxytocin, which is released when your baby latches or when you hear your baby's cries. By gently massaging your breasts and using specific hand expression techniques, you can encourage the release of oxytocin, leading to a more efficient milk flow. Think of it as giving your milk ducts a little nudge, helping them to open up and release the liquid gold. So next time you're struggling with a slow letdown, remember the power of your hands. One of the things I love most about hand expression is the level of control it gives you. Unlike electric pumps, which can sometimes feel intense or uncomfortable, hand expression allows for a more targeted and personalized approach. With hand expression, you can focus on specific areas, applying just the right amount of pressure to ensure thorough milk removal and prevent any blockages. This targeted approach can be especially helpful if you're prone to plugged ducts or mastitis. So, if you're looking for a pumping method that puts you in the driver's seat, hand expression is definitely worth exploring. It's all about listening to your body and responding with gentle, targeted care. For all my working mamas out there, I know that the thought of leaving your little one can be daunting. But fear not, because hand expression can be your secret weapon for maintaining your milk supply. By incorporating regular hand expression sessions into your routine, you can build up a stash of breast milk that can be given to your baby while you're at work or away. This not only provides your baby with the incredible benefits of breast milk, but also helps to maintain your milk production. Hand expression is discreet and portable, so you can easily express milk at work, in the car, or anywhere else you have a few moments to spare. And there you have it, mamas. Hand expression is a powerful tool that can make a world of difference in your breastfeeding journey. Whether you're looking to boost your milk supply, relieve engorgement, or simply feel more connected to your body, hand expression is a skill worth mastering. Remember, it's all about consistency, patience, and listening to your body. You've got this, mama. Embrace the power of your hands and unlock the incredible potential of your breastfeeding journey.